You are going to love the 2020 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.